We're going to construct a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So what this does, it divides a line segment into two congruent parts. It intersects the line at a 90-degree angle. Every point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant to the endpoint, so A and B in this case, of the line segment. Should also mark or make a note that it locates the midpoint of the line segment. Okay, so it'll actually find that midpoint, the complete middle. All right, so to construct this, what we're going to do is take our compass, we're going to center the compass on one of the endpoints, and we're going to choose a hole that is more than halfway across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe the 10th one in this case, so I counted to 10. Now my arc's going to actually be in the wording here. That's going to have to be okay. I make an arc at the top and then one at the bottom. You can make it the whole thing if you want to. Right, now using that same hole, so the 10th one on top, I'm going to come over here, center on B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to make arcs on the top and the bottom. All right, now mine kind of made marks all the way. That's okay. So you have intersection points here and here. If you connect those intersection points, that blue line would be the perpendicular bisector. So a couple things. Where it intersects the line segment, that's the midpoint. Okay, if we label it, let's say C, then we would know that AC and BC would be equal in length. We'd also know that these angles would be 90 degrees. We would also know, let's say we chose a point, maybe let's call it up here, let's call it D. If we were to connect A and D and B and D, those would also be equal in length. So AD would also be equal to BD. So a lot going on there. That's a perpendicular bisector.